Here's this film. It is for the mirror. Okay, and when there is fog outside, the mirror surface is full of water droplets and you cannot see clearly behind the car. And you can apply this foil onto the surface of the glass, and on that area you should see clearly because the fog and water droplets should fall off of that foil part of the mirror. This is 100 millimeters and 145 millimeters in size, so it's not circular as the image shows. Okay, and here we have micro nano coating, PET material, high hardening treatment technology, screen protector film. Okay, and some instructions. So you have to clean the mirror, you have to peel off a protection from that foil. Okay, spray water onto the glass and onto the foil and attach it and squeeze out all excess water, and it's ready. I don't have a spray currently. I will use just simple water. Okay, so let's open this. So that's the package. So we have two foils, front two and back one. And we have these wipes, dry and wet. These are inside. You get the textile, the wipe. Well, the first one is wet, the second one is dry. You get the plastic, very flexible, and the dust absorber. These are stickers. So here's the mirror. First get a cloth or something and clean it. Move it up and down and move it horizontally also. Now open this one. It's not wet at all. It's pretty dry. Now get a film. This is the first side, the red one. Peel off that one. There's already something on it. Now I will put a few drops of water. I don't have a spray. There's water on the glass. Okay, now get that plastic and push out all the excess water. It's harder here where that sticker is. You don't need too much water. Okay, now let's remove this surface. So I think I just scratched it. I still have bubbles. Maybe I should not wipe this surface, I'm not sure. So this is how it looks from the inside. It's not perfect. If I move the camera, I think they are dust particles. There are no water droplets. So some dust already entered. The other one is not mounted. I wanted to test only this one. Even now you can see there's a particle there. Just jet washed the entire car. This foil flew off right away, and now I have no clue which side has that coating and which not. Now it's moving, it's wet, but we'll see later. I'm not sure if this is the correct side of the foil or the other one, but as you can see, it's fogging up a little bit. Against the water, it's not that perfect. Eventually, if the car is stationary, now some water drops are on it, but if you are going forward, then the water droplets will come that way to the back of the car and they won't hit the glass. Let's try the other way. I can't remove it. I rotated the other side. This one is sticky, so the other side was better. Now it's down there somewhere. Now there is water. But the water is on the foil and on the mirror also. Fog, water, everything stays the same on that mirror.